Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I have some new plant therapy goodies to share with you, and the theme of this box is skincare, which if you watch my channel, I love essential oils and natural skincare, so I'm very excited. Before we get started too, I will have a blog post to go with this, links to shop down below. I do not have a coupon code, I don't think currently, for plant therapy, but if I do, I'll pop that in down below too. First, we love plant therapy because they've been around for a very long time. They're transparent, their quality is top tier. They just do all the right things when it comes to essential oils, but also they have so many different products and they are very family friendly, and they have really cute branding and packaging, and they just do all the things right that I need to have in a brand that I use, especially one using essential oils. First up is the vitamin C serum, and I actually already have this serum, so this one is going in my giveaway pile. I give away things every week on my email list. If you are not subscribed, the link will be down below to do so. Let me know if you have any questions or have problems getting signed up. So here's what it looks like out of the box. It is a 30 milliliter dropper bottle. It's a great serum. Vitamin C is a really great skincare. It's been just researched a ton. Hyaluronic acid as well. So it's going to help brighten, plump, do all the good things for your skin. It's good for all skin types. It's very light, it absorbs really fast, and I really love this serum. I like to apply it before my face oils that I'm putting on for the night. Next is the Advanced Antioxidant Facial Oil with turmeric and vitamin C. I'm very excited about this. I usually make my own face oils. I don't use moisturizers anymore. I'm just solely using oils on my face to hydrate at night. I feel like my skin barrier and my skin texture and everything is just the best it's ever been, and so I definitely recommend at least trying it. Moisturizers just were sitting on my skin. I don't feel like they were doing much. I feel like oils just do so much more. But anyways, this is a blend of, jojoba oil, which is what I use and make my own facial oils. And rosehip is the other oil too. So those are very low on the rating of they're gonna clog your pores, which is important. There are different carrier oils for all different skin types, and I have a blog post on that too. Vitamin C, lemon oil, vitamin E, and turmeric. So this is just a big blend with the carriers. I feel like it's just gonna be so great. It looks pretty light, it's not a super thick. The jojoba and rosehip are not super heavy oils, and I can't wait to try this. I'm very excited. This I've been wanting for a long time. I do use Revive essential oils also, as you know, if you watch my videos, and they have one of these too, and I've just had my eyes on something like this, and I don't know why I haven't gotten it, but this is the Frankincense and Argan roll-on for skin. So I feel like I'm gonna use it under my eyes mostly, or where I tend to get evidence of aging, my 11s. And frankincense is the king of essential oils. I think it smells amazing. The best, quickest oil to bring me back around me, and just smells amazing, but also has so many skin benefits. So you can just roll it under your eyes right here where I have some some wrinkles forming, and then just pat it in. Or you can use the new tool that I have too, which I also got. And then to finish off the skincare haul, I got the Gua Sha. This is a white jade Gua Sha, and my girls are constantly stealing all of my skincare products, especially these kinds of tools. So I'm sure this will be in their vanity before I know it. So it just says white jade Gua Sha. On the front, it does have this, so you can learn how to use it if you are not familiar. Years ago, I did videos on how to use Gua Sha. I've been using them for a long time. Oh, this is so pretty. But basically, you want to be gentle with these, and you want to move from the center outward and then down. So what I like to do, I can just show you quickly. This is a nice one, by the way. You can see how thick. And then it says plant therapy. It's very cute, very excited. So you want to start by just gently massaging. This is where a point of where lymph drains. So you want to start there and just work your way down. You always want to continue to clear and drain this right here, but then you can start on your face and just move outwards gently. You can push and then clear, and then move on to here, out gently. You're kind of just scraping, pushing, and then clearing. You can move up here. Get the gist. And then make sure you do the other side as well. So I really love this tool. No, it's not going to be like Botox. It's not going to do any super powers, but this is a great tool to have, especially removing lymph like that. So that is it for my skincare haul. I really love these serums, so make sure you go check these out. Everything also is just so well priced. And I'm very excited to start using this duo. This is just perfect for my routine and what my goals are for skin. Links to everything will be down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.